In this video, you will learn how to restart existing Docker containers using the docker start command. Docker container management involves understanding how to control the lifecycle of your containers, and a key part of that is knowing how to start containers that are in a stop state. It is important to understand the different states a container can be in. On the left, we have stopped containers. A stopped container exists, but it is not currently running. The process inside the container has terminated, but the file system and configurations remain intact. On the right, we have running containers. A running container is actively executing. The main process is running, and the container can handle requests. The basic syntax for the docker start command is as follows: docker start, followed by the container name, or the container ID. This command is used to restart a stopped container by specifying either its name or its unique identifier. The docker start command comes with a few useful options. The first one is attach output. You can use the command docker start with the flag, if followed by the container name. Attaching standard output in standard error streams allows you to see the container's output directly in your terminal. The second option is interactive mode. To start a container in interactive mode, use the command docker start with the flags AI followed by the container name. This attaches to the container and enables an interactive terminal session, allowing you to interact with the container's shell. Here are a couple of practical examples to illustrate how to use the docker start command. To start a container by its name, you can use the command docker start, followed by my web app. This will start the container named my web app. Alternatively, to start a container with interactive attach, use the command docker start, followed by the flag AI and the container ID, such as 3F2C4B19D8E. This will start the container with the specified ID and attach an interactive terminal to it. Here are some best practices and key takeaways regarding the docker start command. For best practices, using container names is recommended for better readability and maintainability. Also, it's always a good idea to check the container status using the command docker ps to ensure the container has started successfully. In summary, the docker start command is used to restart stopped containers. Using the AI flags allows you to attach to the container and start an interactive session, providing a direct interface for interacting with the container's environment. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.